I would now like to recognize our 2017 board members. I'll just read off names, ask you to stand, please. Please hold your applause till the end. We have a great roster, and we'll start with Peter Ali from Park Regency Management. Peter. We have Greg Buckley, City of Two Rivers, City Manager. Will Casey, Access Advisor. Dave Coggins, Investors Community Bank. Dennis Dietering, City of Kiel. Tom Ellerbecker, Michigan High School. Jill Hennessy, Lakeshore Technical College. Mark Herzog, Holy Family Memorial. Greg Jageman, Jageman Stamping. Pete Koppelman, Meadowbrook Farms. Bill Keel, Karen Net. Kay Coach, City of Two Rivers. Kathy Kasurik, Aurora Medical Center and our incoming Vice President. Andy Melezova, K&M Machine Shop. Karen Nichols, the Chamber of Manitowoc County. Justin Nichols, City of Manitowoc Mayor. Jody Rabbit, Wisconsin Aluminum Foundry and our Treasurer. Steve Sheldon, Shank SC. Eric Sikowitz, City of Manitowoc. Nick Saparcio, City of Manitowoc Community Development, and Chris Stream, Bank First National. This is our board of directors, and please give them a big hand because they Goodness great. Oh, Sam.
Sam.
So, we appreciate the people that give in this community, and you know, unfortunately, we are not a growing community. And as I look across the sea of faces in this room, it's a sea of faces we tend to see a lot of. And it is challenging in every organization to find quality leadership. But you know, we have been fortunate to find, I think, the best of the best in the community. And we are welcoming a new board member, Sam Grage, who is president of All Saints Grage. It's on the program. I did it in the right order. So, but we're really happy to have Sam join the organization. Peter has had the opportunity to work with her on the chamber board. She has shown great leadership in that organization. She is joined All States Rigging in 2013 as COO. In 2017, she was named president and CEO after the 25-year-old company previously with Architectural Forest Products and Wheelwright Corporation, and she was also previously with the Air Force. All States Rigging is a large machinery mover that works with manufacturing clients throughout North America. Sam also serves on the Chamber Board, Associated Builders and Contractors Board, Big Brothers Big Sisters Board, and many other organizations in the community, and that's exactly the example I was talking about. Those of us that tend to give, we tend to give openly, and Sam's a great example of that, and we welcome her to our board. I'm going to turn things back over to Peter, but I just want to make a couple of comments on what I hope to do as president in my next couple of years of service. I think we're at a critical junction in this community, one that's very important. The loss of Manitowoc Cranes is a significant loss, and we're going to talk a little bit about that in the lead presentation. But we're a pretty vital and vibrant community. We had Nero leave here, and at one point had 2,000 plus jobs in this community, and we continued on and we bounced back. And the good news is, if there was any bright spot in the timing of the closure, it was at a time where the economy was on a positive note. And we're seeing some positive gains in manufacturing that I think are positive. So I think as we move forward, we've got to look at this community and say, how do we continue to support the businesses that are here? Everyone talks about economic development being, let's go find the next Acuity Insurance, let's go find the next Google. The reality of that is that's not where community-based economic development functions. Our job, our success is based on you in this room. It's helping your businesses grow, helping you find the workforce that you need, helping you solve the problems that you have in order to continue to grow this community. If we're fortunate along the way to find some new businesses and bring them in, we certainly work on that. Peter's going to talk about the three pillars that we work under in the organization. But we need to work together to advance this organization, and we need everybody in this room to help. And I'm going to challenge you to step forward and get involved. You do not have to be a board member to participate. We have a number of committees and projects that we work on throughout the year. I know Peter could use help with his 2.25 workforce, and as we do that, I think we also need to look at what is the competitive environment that we're in. To be quite honest, one of my big concerns is that we as Manitowoc County cannot afford to be an island. And we are surrounded by larger communities that have huge budgets on room tax dollars, that have countywide sales taxes, and have growing populations. Unfortunately, that is not our environment. To be successful, we're going to have to work hard within the county, but I think we're also going to have to look at regional partnerships that help us extend our reach. Interesting, if you're following the real estate market, Sheboygan are buying homes in Manitowoc because they're literally out of homes in Sheboygan. And I think it tells us that the opportunities are there. We've got a vital downtown that has an anchor now that creates population that we can grow from. We can strengthen our downtown. These are all things I hope we can work on together in the next couple of years. Again, I'm going to challenge you to increase your engagement. Come get involved, call Peter, call me, and we would be happy to have you help us as we move through this journey. Thank you very much. I'll turn it back over to Peter.